Hello and welcome to this feature of the week. My name is Fiona and today we will focus on legacy import. This legacy import function can be used when you have already a GastroPlus database and you want to convert it into a GPX project. Everything is forward compatible, which means that you can convert a GastroPlus database to a GPX version 1 or 2 project, and you can either perform a legacy import within GPX version 1, and then you will have to update the project if you wish to use the GPX version 2, or you can directly perform the legacy import in GPX version 2. It is not back compatible, which means that you cannot choose a GPX project, either version 1 or 2, and back convert it to a GastroPlus database. And if you perform the legacy import in GPX version 2, then you won't be able to open it in version 10.1 because the project will already be updated to version 10.2. You will find a function in the dashboard view where you will be able to check the legacy import. To note, you have this legacy import button in both GPX version 1 and 2. So as mentioned, you can perform the legacy import in either version 1 or 2. But to go from version 10.1 to 10.2, you don't need to use the legacy import function. You just have to open your 10.1 project in version 10.2, and the software will ask you if you want to update it to version 10.2, and you'll have to click on yes. That brings us to the end of this feature of the week. If you'd like more information on legacy import, please refer to our GPX documentation, where you will find, among other topics, a tutorial on the legacy import that is called Legacy Import of Historical GastroPlus Databases. And if you'd like a walkthrough of how to use this function, you can watch a YouTube tutorial available on our channel that highlights best practices for a successful legacy import. If you'd like more information, please visit our website or you can email us. Thank you.